Hi everyone, today we're going to put new studs through the rotor and the hub on our Dana 60. This was a junkyard hub and rotor. We're just going to replace the ones that it came with, but first let's paint this. We'll clean the rotor surface with some brake clean. Alright, time to get these studs in. Studs are set in there, but we need to get them started to get these teeth to bite. We'll do that with a hammer. Got my hammer, got a punch, we'll get them started. Now that we got them started, we can pick both of them up and put them in the vise. As you can see, we're not fully seated yet. To finish them off, we're going to use this guy. This is a broken lug extension, just like a lug nut, but bigger. We're going to follow the pattern just like you're tightening a wheel on these lug nuts to tighten the studs in. I'm going to use the old 1/2-inch drive Milwaukee. It'll make quick work of it. Tightening this on will pull the stud all the way through. Now we just need to remove the lug extension, repeat it 7 more times, and as you can see, it tightened up the hub and the rotor. And that is all 8 studs drawn through and ready to go. All right, both hubs have a new coat of paint, new studs, ready for bearings and to go on the truck. Stay tuned for more.